Sienna, say hi to Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. I was born a baby. Always tired baby.
Yeah. Can you tell Grandma what you did with the hairspray?
I drank it.
You drank the hairspray?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Well, Sienna drank some hairspray last week. We forgot to tell you about that. Yeah. But she's okay. Nothing happened to her.
I bite one.
Make sure you say bye-bye to Grandma. This is a test video, making sure you can view it. Can you say bye-bye to Grandma?
Bye, Grandma. Bye.
Say, see you Thursday.
Thursday, bye-bye. Every day there is baby.
Sienna, say, see you Thursday.
When's your day? I love you.
Aw, you love Grandma? Okay.
Bye, baby.
Give her kisses. Give the camera a kiss. Give Grandma kisses. Aw. Okay, bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.